It's a new 2019 GMC Yukon XL. Kids, cargo, groups, gear. You can carry even more in this Yukon XL. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. Of the Yukon, the Car Connection puts forth it has the power and capability to haul up to 9 passengers, their stuff, and the family boat. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.